Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Dr. Petrol video. You find me behind the wheel of what is basically a shipping container, because today we're taking a look at the Mercedes G63 AMG. Courtesy of VDM Cars, we're taking this car to Cars and Bratwurst in Germany, organized by BBM Motorsport. And so far, it's a pretty interesting car to drive. I'll tell you more about how it drives later on. So then, the G63 AMG. It's a Mansory version, but it's actually just an optical kit. The Mansory kit costs 50,000 euros, which is a lot of money if you think about it just being a bit of carbon fiber on the outside. The mechanics are all the same. So there's a bi-turbo V8. It does 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.4 seconds. It has 571 horsepower, 760 Newton meters of torque. And the top speed, we've tried it on the Autobahn earlier, it's 210 kilometers an hour. It won't go any faster. It's obviously got the aerodynamics of a shipping container, so that doesn't help. It also weighs 2.5 tons, so 2.5 tons of car. It doesn't go much faster than 210 kilometers an hour. We're driving with a 488 GTB, an Aventador Superveloce, and a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Yeah, we were pretty much the slowest one there. You might have noticed as well that this car has the steering wheel on the right side. That's because this car used to belong to Memphis Depay, who is a football player for the Dutch national team. And he used to play for Manchester United in England. That's why this car is on the right hand side. And it's a pretty cool car, let's be honest, but it drives like a container. It just constantly, it's all over the place. It doesn't go in a straight line, even though you think this car would go in a straight line perfectly. The big 22-inch wheels don't help. But yeah, it's a fun experience. It's something else than a sports car, something else than a small hot hatch. So it's definitely fun. The big V8 is fun to operate with your right foot. So yeah, we're having a lot of fun today. Let me show you what's on this event as well.